Hello everyone, welcome to Aileen Bite Tips. Today we are making crispy almond biscuits, 杏仁瓦片. These biscuits are crispy, crunchy, and very addictive. My recipe is so simple and very delicious that you will make it again and again. Put it in a gift bag, then share with your friends and families. Let's get started. Here is everything we need. 60 grams of cake flour, 70 grams sugar, 50 grams unsalted butter, 3 egg whites, 150 grams almond slices, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. First step, you need to preheat your oven to 330 Fahrenheit. Okay. Use a saucepan, add 1 cup of water, turn the heat to the middle heat, and put the unsalted butter. I'm going to make the butter melt. While we're waiting for the butter to melt, use a medium mixing bowl and put 3 egg whites inside, also sugar, and mix them together and filter the cake flour. Okay, get rid of the extra crumbs. Okay, mix them together until you cannot see the flour. Right now the butter is melted. We're going to turn off the heat. Take out the melted butter. Okay, put the melted butter inside the batter. Combine the butter and the mixture together. All right. And add the banana extract inside. Use a spatula to stir and mix. And then add the almond slices inside the batter. Okay, gently mix together. And don't break the almond slices. Just make sure the almond and the batter combine well together, but gently. Alright, and then we are ready to bake. So now I'm going to put the almond biscuit batter on the baking tray. You can use 2 to 3 inch of a circle mold. If you don't have the mold, you can use a paper cut. I'm going to show you how to make a round mold by yourself and using a paper cup. Okay, so now we have a 3-inch mold. Okay, bring some batter inside the mold and spread it into a thin layer. Okay, and take out the mold. Okay, let's do the second one. Second one. Okay, at the end will look like this. This is the 3 inch and 2 inch and 3 and 2. I'm going to put it into the oven. Okay, bake for 10 minutes with 330 Fahrenheit. So the oven temperature might vary by different brand. So just keep eye on the biscuit when it's golden brown. Okay, after 15 minutes, all the biscuit is turning golden brown. It means ready. Take it out and let it chill. Alright, so this is today's crispy almond biscuit. It smells really good. Make sure to try this recipe at home. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. See you next time!